Thank you guys for coming tonight. The basket's up here, and there's a suggested donation of $20. If you can do it, great. If you can't, that's okay too. And there are special bonuses over there. And thank you folks at home. If you watch this, and if you're there, hi. If you're not, that's okay too. It's going out. It's going out into the universe. So this is a song when I was in high school. A couple of my buddies were like, dude, let's go to California this summer. And I don't know if people in California go like, dude, let's go to Connecticut. Dude, let's go to Albany. I don't think so, you know. I don't know, but there's some kind of ritual of the people in the East just yearning to go west, you know. Maybe it started with Horace Greeley down in Chappaqua, New York. I don't know, you know, go west, young man. No, so my friends went, and I didn't go. I stayed home. I was a good boy. And then later on in my second marriage, my stepdaughter did the same thing. And I was like, you know, someday I'm going to drive across the country. But this is for all of us who dare to journey somewhere. Who dare, let's do this. Hey, let's do this. Let's do this. I dare ya. Double dog dare ya. It's called Summer Storm. There's a summer storm from the west, bringing rain and a cooling breeze. And in the east, there's a growing moon, aching for release. There's an interstate that knows both our names. Can you hear it calling us? So I dare you to come with me. Let's leave the east coast to the dust and the spacious skies above the plains and the waves of amber green. America, the beautiful, how does a kid explain this urgency to see it all from sea to shining sea? So you gotta let me know if you're coming with me. They don't have to know that we are gone until we are too far away. This is the summer of our freedom. So what do you say? Can you see us crossing the Golden Gate? 3,000 miles away from Maine. So let's turn the key and gauge the gears. We will not be restrained, and the spacious skies above the plains and the waves of amber grain. America, the beautiful, how does a kid explain this urgency to see it all from sea to shining sea? after the thunder squall, and in a week or maybe two, the road will start to fall towards the coast highway, where we'll find a place a correct call, just to let them know that we are safe and that we will be back in the fall. And the spacious skies above the plains and the waves of amber grain. America, the beautiful, how does a kid explain this urgency? Just see it all from sea to shining sea. So you gotta let me know if you're coming with me. America, the beautiful, there's a summer storm and a cooling breeze. Peace and groove.